The calm before the storm. There's an intense North Atlantic windstorm developing west of Ireland as I speak. Here it is, driven in by an intense North Atlantic jet stream in excess of 250 miles per hour. That's the latest satellite imagery. It looks a nasty feature. It will be a nasty feature. It's going to arrive across Ireland tonight as potentially one of their worst storms in a lifetime. Extreme conditions, devastating conditions, countrywide red warnings. We also have extreme winds on the way. A Met Office red warning for high winds has been issued for the Central Belt and west-south-west Scotland. Fairly benign stuff out there for January anyway. We've got a front, some rain pushing northeastwards, giving some hill snow. Best conditions in the northeast. Yes, some gusty winds developing up the west coast, perhaps touching gale force for the Western Isles for a time, but that'll be nothing compared with tomorrow. Tonight, a few showers, but then we'll have the lull before the storm. Some frost for some, coldest in the northeast. But here's the outer front of Eowyn, which will spin up heavy rains north across the country. Some significant snowfall north of the Central Belt for the Highlands. A warning from the Met Office for those locations. But it's the wind that's the main concern. The southeasterly will ramp up across southern Scotland. We'll have an amber warning coming into force from 6 a.m. Northern Scotland will have an amber warning coming into force from 1 p.m. because as the storm moves north, so will the storm force winds. But the greatest concern from 10 a.m. into 5 p.m. tomorrow, a red danger to life warning through the central lowlands for west-south-west Scotland. We could be talking 100-mile-an-hour wind gusts onto the west coast itself, 80 to 90 inland. Damaging winds, dangerous, severe winds. The rain pushes north, then the backwash comes in with further rain, heavy snow across the mountains of the Highlands, but it's the stormy conditions that are the main concern, which will spread bodily northwards across all parts through the day. The highest impactful winds, central, south-west, west Scotland. Take care, stay safe.